Hi, this is Screencast 1.7 for AP Chemistry. Some sources for test-taking strategies. I'm not going to go over test-taking strategies in general since this is the first chapter of the year. But if you want to get a look at it right off the bat, here's some great sources that you might want to check out. The College Board has some advice as to how to take the test. An experienced teacher, that might be Adrian Dingle. A list of what's not on the AP exam showed up in the previous slide, and there's also a screencast on that. That's a nice strategy. Don't study things that you don't need to know. There's some details in it if you want to go into it deeper. Some general strategies by another teacher, some highly opinionated strategies. Once again, that usually means Adrian Dingle, and lots if you're looking to do more and more problems, and that is one of the general strategies we'll be using for the year, is to just do lots and lots of problems. Since it's a test with lots of problems, we'll have all sorts of AP released questions, and as you know, we'll spend an entire month doing nothing except working on AP released items. So here's some general test-taking strategies. Let's peek quickly at one of them. Let's take a look at the strategies by the College Board. Now, like I said, I don't want to go into specific detail, but here are some sources. This, by the way, is sort of the primary source for any AP student or any AP chemistry student, since it's the College Board, the people who produce the test. So they have advice as to how to get ready, some strategies for the first part, which is multiple choice. Note that it's no calculator. Note that the timing can be a little bit challenging. They recommend a Y versus N if you don't know how to do it. No means, oh my God, you have no idea how to work. Force yourself to stay on schedule. And then there's the free response questions, and there's some advice here. You know, another good source is the people who took the test last year, and I could give you all their names, or you maybe have one who's a friend of yours, and they can tell you what they did right, what they did wrong. Perhaps we'll even bring in some of those students to give you some clear advice as to what they'd recommend. And there it is. So some test-taking strategies for AP Chemistry. Resources.